What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's a beautiful day in rainy Oregon, per usual, and I'm out here on the river, the Willamette River, getting ready to do try to smack some smallies this morning. The weather, like the water is good, but the weather sucks, so I still think we'll be able to find them. Got several different baits, including some crankbaits, swim baits, and Ned rigs, you know, various soft plastics and things. And we'll see what they actually want here this morning. I'm just hoping it doesn't rain too bad. So for now, I think this camera is going to stay in the car and I'm going to see on the GoPro. Well, guys, looks like it might be time to make a move. I've thrown stuff all morning and haven't even got a bite. What the fuck? What? Yo! What the hell are you doing here? You going out right now?
Yeah, I'm getting ready to go fishing. You trying to go fishing or what?
Hell yeah, let's do it.
Let's go. Throw your stuff in the boat and let's drop it in.
Hell yeah. Stupid expensive. Anyway, guys, we've been out here for a little bit fishing this spot and it's really not producing any fish. Massive amounts of structure, that's pretty dope. But we're marking hella springers down below, but that's not what we're fishing for today. So we're gonna go ahead and make another move and go what? That's gonna be technically downriver? Yeah. Downriver. You gotta love the wakes. We'll see you at the spot. There it is. It's a fish. There's no way those smallies are eating those big ass fish that are jumping.
I bet they are.
Huh?
I bet they are. They're aggressive, dude.
Yeah, but those are big.
I mean, look at the skinks that I've caught out of here, dude, eating these crankbaits.
That's true. Bass are pigs. There we go. Yep. There we go. That's a good fish too. Ate it right in the mouth.
Solid, dude.
Yeah, buddy. You got those pliers? Because this one's dangerful.
Don't grab that.
Thanks. No. You're gonna fuck yourself up, bro. I'm trying to unfuck you up.
Solid.
There we are. Little picture pick. All right, I'll just take a selfie. Good. Oh, look at that. There we are. It's good fish. Doubled up. What's up? Let's say this feels pretty good too.
They were smoking bait.
Oh, let's go. Nope. Oh.
No, I got a good one.
Did you? You need help? Okay, dude, this guy inhaled this.
Dude, he fucking slapped. Oh, dude, he just spit out a fucking shad.
No way.
Look, it's floating down right
I
there.
see it.
Dude, they're smoking them down here.
Oh, look at this little guy. Back in. That's a good fish. Look how fat he is.
Dude, Dude, I felt him and he was solid.
Dude, as soon as I saw that, like the one jump and then it blew up, he blew up on it. I was like, that's it. That's the one. That's what I'm saying. It was a real good smack. Those were probably the only two. That was bad. That was sick, yeah, for sure. I love bites like that because it's just like, you know, you're gonna get hammered. Like, you just know it. I feel bad for being so close to these guys, but that's just how the cookie crumbles. There we go. As soon as they hit the water. Is that a fish? Yeah. That didn't even give me time to hit the water, bro.
Oh, look.
Followers?
Look at that, dude. It's a huge school.
Sick.
I don't know if it's shads or smallies. Dude, that's a huge school. Look, they're following. They're following.
There's one. Oh, maybe not. Snag.
Snack. Oh no.
It's rubber. It's attached to the dock. Oh, there's something on it. Bro, get us over there. There's a fish on here. Yeah, well, it looks like there's corn on there, so I'm trying to. Boy.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'll throw him on the bank.
Shut up.
Well, guys, sorry for the crappy audio. I don't have my mic on. I left it in the car once we moved spots, but man, we actually came out here and did pretty damn good. Went from no fish this morning to, but I caught 3. You got 3?
I got 3. I think I landed 3.
And we had a really cool scenario. These fish, these smolts were getting chased down by groups of these smallmouth. And it just happened to be right next to the boat and we were about to move and we just chucked in really quick with swim baits and got picked up. It was badass. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't get here. Now let's try it. Now let's try it. Dude, fucking Mondo. Oh my gosh, guys. Thanks for watching.
Sorry.
Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time.